Random numbers are frequently used to make computer games more interesting and in some cases more realistic. In this lesson, you'll learn to generate a random number between any two numbers. Hi, I'm Annette Gotland. I'm the author of the Do-It-Yourself Java Games books. I teach Java programming through creating games. Welcome to the video version of my books. We're currently in the Text Games video series, TG, the first of 4 types of games series. The focus of this series is to cover the fundamentals of Java programming. No previous programming experience is required. You'll learn how, when, and why Java programs are written the way they are. This series has 16 projects. We're currently working on the 9th project, TG9, Guess My Number. In this project, we'll create a game to guess a randomly selected number like this. This is lesson TG9.2, where you'll learn how to generate a random number. In the last project, we wrote a pretty complete number guessing game. In this lesson, you'll change the program to pick a random number for the user to guess. Exercise 1. Create a random number generator. Pause the video if you need more time in any of these exercises. If you want to see how I would complete any of the listings, please refer to the completed listings at the end of this video. Create a new random number generator, a random, named rand, by adding code exactly as shown. What happened? It should have caused a syntax error stating random could not be resolved to a type. Use Quick Fix to fix that error. Exercise 2. Quick Fix to fix the error. Rest your cursor on the word marked as a syntax error to open Quick Fix. Choose Import Random Java Util to fix the error. Run it. What happened? It should have run exactly the same as before. The number to guess should still be 56. Throughout these lessons, you'll often receive the syntax error that something couldn't be resolved to a type. When you receive that error, use Quick Fix to import the needed class. The class, along with its package name, will be added to the import statement at the beginning of the file. We'll use random's nextInt method to get a random number. NextInt returns a random number between 0 and 1 less than the number you gave it. For example, to get one of 10 possible values from 0 through 9, use rand nextInt 10. If you want the values to start at 1 instead of 0, add 1 to the results. For example, to get one of 6 possible values from 1 through 6, use rand nextInt 6 plus 1. Exercise 3. Get a random number. Can you guess what parameter is needed for nextInt to generate a random number from 0 through 100 for my number? Hint: how many numbers are there if you include 0 and 100? Run it. What happened? It should now give you hints to guide you to guessing a random number instead of 56. Key points and more. Generate random numbers. Use a random variable to generate random numbers. Random's nextInt method returns a random number between 0 and 1 less than the number you gave it. For example, to get one of 5 possible values from 0 through 4, use nextInt 5. To get one of 5 possible values from 1 through 5, use nextInt 5 plus 1. Key points and more. When a variable can't be resolved to a type. Random, like string, is another type of data. New types of data are created as classes. Almost every new class used in your program will be marked as a syntax error. The error message will state that the class cannot be resolved to a type. Such classes must be imported. Import statements must include the full class name, including its package. Use Quick Fix to easily add import statements for classes new to the program. Open Quick Fix in one of several different ways. Rest your mouse on the word in the code marked as a syntax error, or right-click on the word in the code marked as a syntax error and choose Quick Fix. Or click on the syntax error symbol in the left margin of the edit pane. Or Right-click on the message in the Problems pane at the bottom of Eclipse and choose Quick Fix. Here are the completed listings for all the exercises in this video. This is the end of the second lesson in the Guess My Number project. The game is now fairly complete, but I see an opportunity here to teach one more Java topic. In the next lesson, we'll print how many guesses the user took to guess the number, while you learn about a couple handy code shortcuts to increment numbers.